We now get a better take a look at the brand new Kona's outdoors and interior, each of which might be an intensive departure from the outgoing model. When equipped with 17-inch tires, the 2024 Hyundai Kona stands at 1,580 millimeters, 62.2 in, tall. The automaker mentioned that these dimensions are for the ICE and hybrid models, although the EV's proportions will likely be same. When it comes to practicality, Hyundai says the new Kona is roomier and offers greater versatile interior space for better passenger comfort and smooth shipment storage. The automaker notes that 2D row legroom is 77 mm, 3 in, longer and headroom is 11 mm, 0.4 in, better than in the previous model, with Hyundai additionally claiming high quality and elegance shoulder room. The all-new Hyundai Kona offers an array of superior driver assistance systems, including Forward Collision-avoidance Assist, Lane Keeping Assist, Blind Spot Collision-avoidance Assist, Safe Exit Warning, Intelligent Speed Limit Assist, Driver Attention Warning, Blind Spot View Monitor, and High Beam Assist. It also comes with various driving convenience capabilities, which include Smart Cruise Control, navigation-based Totally Smart Cruise Control, Lane Following Assist and Highway Driving Assist (HDA). Furthermore, advanced parking technology consists of Surround View Monitor, Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist, Forward/Side/Reverse Parking Distance Warning, Reverse Parking Collision Avoidance Assist, and Remote Smart Parking Assist. The 2024 Kona can be supplied with a couple of powertrain additions, consisting of all-electric (EV), hybrid electric-powered (HEV), and internal combustion engine (ICE), each to be had with sporty N-line versions.